In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect MetaMask to Rarible. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up MetaMask in conjunction with Rarible is extremely simple. You will see the option to directly connect the MetaMask wallet to Rarible when you access the website. So if you go to rarible.com, you can click on Connect Wallet at the top right, and you will see the MetaMask option. Now, you will notice that for me it says Install MetaMask. This is because I don't have the MetaMask extension at the moment on my web browser. If you don't, then you will also be prompted to download it from the respective extension store. So for example, if you are on Chrome, you will download it from the Chrome Web Store. For this video, I'm going to assume that you already have the MetaMask wallet set up and proceed ahead. But if you don't, then follow the instructions and set it up. If you go to Connect Wallet, just like I showcase right now, and you have the MetaMask extension installed, instead of seeing Install MetaMask, you will simply get the option to manage it through the extension. So upon clicking MetaMask, a pop-up will appear from the MetaMask extension asking you which account you want to connect. If you only have one account, then choose it from the list and then select Connect at the bottom. You will have to give the website a signature request confirmation. So just tap on Confirm. I want to log in on Rarible.com at this time of day. I accept the terms of service. And once you confirm, you are good to go. Your MetaMask account is going to be connected here. So if you tap on your icon or you open the menu, you will see the network connected here with the MetaMask icon. You can copy the address, you can manage your wallets, use the power symbol here to manage it, buy, and so on, and everything will be attributed to your MetaMask wallet. So all that you have to do is use the Connect Wallet button with the MetaMask extension installed. There's no secret to this. The rest is very intuitive and basically automatically done. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect MetaMask to Rarible. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.